Good evening, folks. Tri-County Weather Service Chief Meteorologist James Flood here for your Thursday, April 11th. A beautiful evening out there. Once again, mild temperatures, lots of sunshine out there. Sunset times now after 8 o'clock p.m. Finally getting closer to the 8:30, 9 o'clock as we get over the next few weeks now. Look at the headlines for this week. More sunshine for tomorrow before it rains for the weekend. Speaking of weekend, we have a 50-50 weekend. Part of the weekend is going to be beautiful, but the other half of the weekend is going to be wet. And we have a Monday soaker possible with lots of rain, with a couple inches worth actually for Monday. Taking a look at the current conditions right now though. Right in downtown Yarmouth, 4 degrees with that beautiful sunny skies. It feels like 4 out there. The dew point 1 degrees, the humidity at 77%. Those winds very light. That's why we don't have the wind chill out there. West-northwest at only 4 kilometers per hour. Almanac for the average high for today, it's 8 degrees. The average low is 1. The record high, 15.9. In other words, 16 degrees in 1993. The record low is -6 in 1977. Sunrise time, 6:49 this morning. Sunset time, 8:02 this evening. Getting later and later each day. Almanac for the actual high today, we actually hit 7 degrees in downtown Yarmouth today. The low, 1 degree. And of course, the record high is 16, so we weren't close to the record. Neither were we close to the low record as well at -6 back in 77. Here's the satellite view of the big storm that's going to arrive here for the weekend on Saturday. It's a humongous storm, bringing very nasty blizzard conditions over Nebraska. This storm stretches much of the entire United States almost. It's just that wide in width. It's very large. This system is going to track towards the northeast over Quebec. And see this warm front over here? This is what's going to bring those warm temperatures as we get into the next several days. Tomorrow temperatures are going to get up into the low to mid-teens. They'll cool down on Saturday when we see some rain, but still in the double-digit temperatures. And then Sunday will still be under that warm front, and we'll see temperatures on Sunday jump all the way up into the mid to high teens, possibly even some 20-degree marks being recorded in some parts of the Tri-Counties. As we take a look now at the hourly forecasts this evening, sunny skies, 6 degrees at supper hour, 9 o'clock this evening, looking at clear skies and 3 degrees. Clear skies at midnight and 0. 3 o'clock, clear skies and -1. 6 a.m., sunny skies as you wake up and out the door, -4. And by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, sunny skies and freezing. If you're heading out to school tomorrow, looking at -3 to wake up in the morning at the bus stop, around -1 or 0 degrees by noon hour tomorrow with sunny skies, and we'll see mostly sunny skies for tomorrow afternoon as you head on the bus to get home, and 11 degrees. Here's the future cast taking us over the next 54 hours, seeing that high pressure just south of Nova Scotia still sticking around. It doesn't rain until we get overnight, Friday night into Saturday. So really, after 10 o'clock at night is when we should see the rain arrive. So all day tomorrow should be dry. If the rain doesn't arrive until Friday night into Saturday, and that rain does continue eventually into Saturday night, we may see a few breaks of clearing though on Saturday night before it rains again. How much rain can we expect? Well, much of the area, especially around Digby and Yarmouth, you could see 15 to 30 millimeters. Otherwise, expect anywhere from 6 to 12 millimeters on the eastern side of the Tri-Counties. So Shelburne, Queens, Lunenburg, those areas, you could see the lesser amounts of 6 to 12. But Yarmouth and Shelburne will see the most rainfall amounts, especially Digby, really, with amounts of up to 30 millimeters. For tonight, clear and cool, -4. Those winds from the west at 15, then diminishing to 5 kilometers per hour. We'll see temperatures tonight slowly falling down towards midnight to freezing, and then as we get into the overnight hours, they'll fall down into the -4 range. For tomorrow, sunny and warm, 14 degrees, winds will be southwest light, and as we see those temperatures tomorrow, they'll really boost up once we get into the mid-morning hours. By 10 o'clock, we're looking at 4 degrees, noon we're at 9, and then we'll see double-digit temperatures along the coast between 1 and 3 p.m. with temperatures around 12 degrees. However, if you're inland and even in Shelburne, you'll see temperatures of 14 and 15 degrees. But along the coast where the sea breeze will be effective, you are going to see those cooler temperatures along the coast between 10 and 12 degrees, and will cool down by supper hour tomorrow once the clouds increase down to 4 by supper hour. Forecast chance for rain tomorrow. As I was saying, it's going to be dry for much of the day. We don't see a chance of rain until we get towards the supper hour tomorrow between 5 and 6 p.m. But even then, it will be a low chance at 20%. Tomorrow night, increasing clouds, rain late in the day, 3 degrees, south winds 20 kilometers per hour. And as we get into the weekend forecast, it looks not too bad. It's nice tomorrow, 14 degrees under sunshine. Rain on Saturday and 11 degrees, so we're still above average temperatures. And Sunday is the beauty of the week. We're looking at plenty of sunshine and temperatures for many areas as high as 17 or 18 degrees. And I would not be surprised if some areas do flirt with 20 degrees. Temperature tracker for the next 5 days, Friday to Tuesday, shows that the average is 8 degrees. We're going to be well above the average temperature for the next 5 days with temperatures in the double digits, the warmest being Sunday. And here's that 7-day forecast. Very warm on Sunday with sunshine, 17 degrees. We're still in the double digits Monday with more rain, possibly 30 to 50 millimeters or more on Monday. Sun and clouds on Tuesday and 12 degrees. Showers returning again on Wednesday. And then more clouds with a few peaks of sunshine on Thursday. It cools down a little bit, but temperature is still right around the 10-degree mark for Wednesday and Thursday, and morning lows staying above that freezing mark. That is your weather. Have a great day.